I was interacting with hundreds of students for the past 6 months, and I'm really disappointed with the outcome. I don't know how this kind of youth will become future leaders. I'm not pessimistic, but at the same time, I'm skeptical. Hi, this is Ramphani, career growth coach, author, trainer, speaker. Today, I'm going to share some of my opinions about career counseling. Why career counseling is required? Career counseling is very much required, my dear friends. Especially this video is for middle class parents and students who want to make it big in their life with lots of dreams. But the seed itself is poisoned before it's sown. I am very much disappointed with today's youth, the way they were brought up by the parents with one and only objective of putting them on money making path. Even that is not done with proper planning. And mostly the education system also has to be blamed. But you can take care of yourself if you love yourself, no? First, to parents, please ask your kids in which subject they are interested and observe them from their childhood onwards, in which subject they are showing expertise or what I can say, interest, right? That's why parents has to ask your kids in which subject they are very much interested. Observe them in which subject they are getting more marks, right? And don't believe in IIT academies, IAS academies, and CA academies. These are all branding. If your educational institution is branded, that means if you join IITs and IIMs, that doesn't mean that you are branded, right? You join your kids in MPC or BIPC thinking that they will make it great, joining in MBBS and IAS or something like that. It's not happening. Why? Because they are not interested. Most of the 99% of the students told us that, sir, I am not at all interested. Our college, they will give some starred questions. We read, we by-hearted in fact, those questions and came out successfully. We got 10 for 10. Don't expect knowledge from us, because our colleges felt that education is information. They give a lot of information. They inject a lot of information into the minds of students by way of by-hearting. They will just vomit that information on the examination paper. They will get good marks. Education is not information, my dear friends. Education is the manifestation of the knowledge which is there already within you. These are not my words. These are the words of Swami Vivekananda. You have to manifest the knowledge within you with the help of education. That's why education is salvation. Middle class believe in that, but they are not sincere, because they want to put their kids on money making path, nothing else. They don't want to educate their kids. In these kind of hasty decisions and environment, marketing environment around us, you are spoiling the future of your kids. One used to do degree in B Form. with the advice of their parents, and suddenly he switched over to data science because he felt that data science is very much in demand now. Somebody did civil engineering and he switched over to MBA, and he will become finally software engineer. One day my boss asked me, standing in between our cabins, that who is engineer, or otherwise how many engineers are there in my team. Almost all 90% raised their hands. He felt very happy. You know why? Because engineers haven't become engineers with a razor sharp, laser sharp focus like Sir Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya. Engineers have spoiled their life and joined the ladies' subjects like HR. And they are excelling because they know the basics. They are strong in mathematics. An engineer excelling in HR is not a great thing, right? Finally, it's people management. You spoiled the money of your parents, you spoiled your time, you spoiled your energy, your temp, that is time, energy and money. My dear parents, I request you with folded hands, please go for career counseling once your kid completes his 10th standard, either in China or anywhere else. Either you come to me or to any other good counselor, career counselor, that doesn't matter. But please go for career counseling to help your kids excel in their life with happiness and help them excel in every step of their life wholeheartedly and help them contribute to the society. My dear kids, future leaders, never listen to your parents in terms of your education, as far as your education is concerned. Tell them, I am interested in this, otherwise I will not study. By the time you are in 10th standard, please go for career counseling. Then only you can excel in your life. You will strengthen yourself to excel in your life, in your education. And then only education will become salvation for your life. You can contribute to the society with your knowledge, skills, and attitude. Hope you understand my point and sincere agony. Right? Parents, please take your kids for career counseling. Kids, go for career counseling immediately after your 10th standard. If you need any guidance or free career counseling, please call me on my number 92474-31892. I repeat, 92474-31892. Thank you very much for your kind attention and patient listening to my video, patiently watching my video. Thank you very much. Good luck. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Good luck. Take care. Bye-bye.